Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you whether you can select all photos and videos at the same time in VN Video Editor. In today's video, I will show you how to do this. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your VN application, and after opening the app, you have to click on this plus icon here, or you can click on the New Project option. After that, click on the New Project option here, and then click on Save from here. After that, you need to select your videos or photos from here. For example, I'll select 1 or 2 pictures from here, and then I'll select some videos as well. Now, here I have only selected 5 pictures in total, combining both photos and videos. Now, as soon as you click Next from here, you'll see that everything gets added here. In this way, you can select all your photos and videos at once. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.